Hello.
हाँ जी
So my name is Sumit. I'm calling from Andhra Pradesh, sir.
जी
सर मैंने आपका आई रेड योर ब्लॉग एंड
यस
मैंने
यस
आपका ये क्वारा में भी आपका अपडेट्स देखा हूँ सर.
हम्म
सो आई बीन सफरिंग विथ एक्जिमा फॉर
हम्म
लाइक मोर देन 10 years नाउ. 10 साल ऊपर है सर. सो
आपकी
अभी
एज
क्या है ना
कितनी है
सर, मैं सर 35 सर 34.
और कब से एक्जिमा है
इट्स बिन लाइक 10 साल से ऊपर हो गया सर.
ओके और कितना
आई
हाइट और वेट है
वेट.
हाइट एंड वेट
My height is 5'8" and my weight is around like 78 and 79 because I'm usually around 75. Now I'm a little bulking because of this, the quarantine what's happening.
ओके
I work out regularly. So the problem is initially it was very bad on, it's only on my fingers.
हम्म
बोलते ना सर डिस्ट्रोफिक एक्जिमा को बोलते ना शायद.
हाँ
एंड इनिशियली डॉक्टर्स बोलते कि शायद ये सोराइसिस हो सकता है करके.
हम्म
एंड लेटर लाइक few doctors said no, this is not psoriasis, this is just eczema.
हम्म तो
So then
आपकी
I've
सॉरी आप एक तो बात खत्म होने के बाद में फोटोग्राफ भेज दीजिएगा जो आपका फिंगर्स का है
yes sir. So
और सेकेंडली
वो
आपका फ्लूइड इनटेक कैसा है कुछ रूटीन बताएंगे अपना क्या करते हैं आप सुबह उठ कर क्या मतलब कितना पानी पीते हैं कितना खाना खाते हैं
सर मैं अभी फिलहाल कीटो में हूँ सर.
कीटो
कीटो
छोड़
डाइट
दो
कर रहा
कितने दिन हो
हूँ.
गए कीटो करते हुए
सर कीटो में काफी दिनों से कर रहा हूँ सर. अभी रिसेंटली कीटो में ऑन एंड ऑफ कर रहा हूँ 1 month से सर. So like I give a break for 2 days and then again start doing it.
तो
So right,
कितना वेट लॉस हो गया
uh, so initially I had a drastic weight loss. Like मैं 80 और कुछ था. Then I went to 72 in the month of December. Then like it was party season tha and like Christmas season. Then I went to Goa and I like put on weight
हम्म
after that. Now with keto now I've like reduced like 3 kgs of weight. So I'm not working out because अभी workout करने के लिए कोई chance नहीं है ना सर. Gyms बंद है सब.
तो
So
पहले जब कीटो कर रहे थे वर्कआउट भी कर रहे थे आप
yeah sir. I work out every day like 2 hours.
2 आवर्स
Yes
और
sir.
आपका फ्लूइड इनटेक कितना है 5-6 लीटर होगा
हाँ yeah, close to 3.5 to 4 sir.
या ज्यादा होगा वर्कआउट के डेज में तो ज्यादा होगा गर्मियों में
हाँ yeah sir, more probably. I'm not of that category जहाँ पे मैं ज्यादा पानी पीता हूँ sir.
कोई सप्लीमेंट्स लेते हैं आप
हाँ सर, I take whey protein and कभी कभी प्री वर्कआउट सर. एंड ओनली ऑन माई लेग डेज की जहाँ पे लोअर बॉडी करता हूँ तो स्ट्रेंथ काफी नहीं होता तो उस दिन मैं प्री वर्कआउट ले लेता हूँ.
व्हाट इज दैट प्री वर्कआउट
It's just that it gives you energy before. So it's a combination of few amino acids and what I take is a non-caffeine version. जिसमें कैफीन नहीं रहता. बाकी में कैफीन रहता है सर.
ओके एंड यू बीन डूइंग दिस वर्कआउट सिंस व्हेन
Sir, I've been working out for like 10 years and then I stopped in between. I used to work out when I was a college going student. Now recently like for past 2 years sir.
past 2 years you were regular
Uh, yeah, almost. Once in a while I give a break because of my work. Once in a while like 1-2 months का break हो जाता है सर.
ठीक है आपको सोरेसिस और एक्जिमा का ही खत्म करना है तो आप सुबह उठ खाली पेट पानी पीते हैं
हाँ सर.
हाउ मच
जस्ट टू फुलफिल माई थर्स्ट. मैं ऐसा नहीं कि काउंट करता हूँ कि पानी इतना का. रिसेंटली मैं कर रहा हूँ कि कीटो में ज्यादा पानी पीना पड़ता है ना सर. सो आई बीन काउंटिंग. उसमें भी नहीं हो रहा सर क्योंकि बिकॉज आई एम डूइंग एन इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग विद कीटो. सो पानी पीना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है जब तक मैं फास्टिंग ब्रेक करता हूँ. आई डोंट फील लाइक ड्रिंकिंग वाटर.
एंड टी कॉफी एंड अदर स्टफ अदर फ्रूट्स
Tea is not regularly, but on keto I'm drinking a keto coffee because I usually don't drink coffee. But now it's just that tea once in a while, sir. I'm like, there was one point of time where I used to drink every day. Now I don't drink. I usually prefer green tea.
and any other fluids like fruits or juices or cold drinks
No, sir. I don't touch cold drinks. I don't drink alcohol.
and fruits
Fruits. Right now I'm eating watermelon because that is only accepted in like watermelon, strawberries and star fruit. So हम लोग को star fruits और strawberry मिलता नहीं है तो I have to suffice with watermelon.
What else you used to take earlier before lockdown?
Be- I'm not in keto. I eat apples.
How many in a
Uh,
day?
uh, one or two max, sir.
Max two.
Sometimes a banana. I don't eat too much fruit also because like the fructose and all it hampers the sugar.
What is your target?
Target weight, sir.
Yeah.
I'm looking around somewhere around 70, 71.
And what is your height?
5'8", sir.
Okay. So just 3-4 kg weight loss you want to achieve.
No, right now I'm 79, so it's like 9 kgs
Okay.
now.
Okay. And your basic aim is to be around 70.
Yes, sir. I just want to be fit. Like, I don't know how this sound, but I just want
Yeah,
to be
you
really
just
fit and have a six pack because I've done that once. I was in when I was like 7-8 years back. Now I want to redo it, but
7-8 years back you had six pack,
हाँ sir, yeah.
and you want to have six pack again.
I'm just trying it. Just sir, अपने आप को motivate करने के लिए कुछ ना कुछ होना है sir. So
नहीं ठीक है. What is your age?
34.
नहीं, age.
34 sir.
34. So okay. Sorry. See, you can try one thing for weight loss as well as for your six packs and all that. And it's
Sure.
entirely different. No workout is needed. Nothing is needed.
Okay.
Take 2 meals in a day.
Okay sir.
And the time should be around 10 and 6. 10 in the morning, 6 in the evening.
Okay.
And eat more than what you usually would eat, so that your 2 meals eat enough as you would have eaten in 3 meals.
Okay. You want me to segregate the 3 meals into 2 meals? Okay.
Yes.
And have
And
equal enough calorie intake. Okay.
yes. And the idea is that to increase your metabolic rate, while you are resting, your whatever energy your vital organs are drawing, they should be able to draw more, because your digestion process itself is a energy intensive process. So if you're eating instead of 3 times, 2 times, I feel like you will be saving some 7-8% of your total energy for your vital organs. So if your vital
Exactly.
organs perform better, you will lose weight. And that is the
Yeah.
healthy way.
Yes, sir. I know. It's a 2 meal per day concept. Yeah, like OMAD and TUMAD.
OMAD and TOMAD, I don't know, but they have they might have their own theories. But
Okay.
in this, you have to be able to supply the saved energy for your vital organs. So every half an hour, 40 minutes, you walk for 5 minutes within your house at easy pace.
Okay.
And after 5 minutes, lie down for 5 minutes.
Okay, sir.
So in a day, it should be about 10 to 12,000 steps. And if
Yes,
you
sir.
can join my this thing, step counting thing, then I can also see otherwise other people are also there in that.
Okay.
And that's up to you. If you are able to do that, you should be able to lose about 3 kg weight. And so far as your other workouts are concerned and other diets are concerned, keto and all that, I have been getting some feedback that those are not very effective and good. In this,
Okay.
you have no restrictions in terms of your carbohydrate intake or this fructose
Protein
or
intake.
anything.
Okay.
Yeah, there is no restriction. And so far as your exercising is concerned, so if you're doing every half an hour, 5 minutes walking, maybe in about 12 5 minutes sessions, you will be able to walk about 8 to 10,000 steps. So rest of the time, what you can do is, maybe if you want to do push-ups or planks, you can add maybe every half an hour you can do maybe about 5 to 10 push-ups only, not much, not more than that. And then you try to see what is the difference it's making to your biceps. And you can do planks also every half an hour for 1 minute.
Okay.
So that should add to your six packs and all that.
So,
And
and is this like a seasonal thing, or it's like a cycle thing, or like should I do it throughout my life?
you can do it throughout your life also. Only thing is that when you get busy, then you can maybe, instead of every half an hour, you can do it every 1 hour or every 2 hours. Your target should be to, because see, this does not have any side effects, and every day you do it, every day there will be improvement. There will be nothing backward. If you look at
Okay.
keto, everybody reports after 2 months there is a problem. If you look at any other thing, it is a problem. And if you are sticking to 10 and 6 diet, what you can do is you can take water at 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock and 10 o'clock along with your meal. 10
Okay.
o'clock is along with meal, take 1 glass of water. Same way in the evening also take 1 glass of water with your meal. And the other water intake is about 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock. So total 6 glasses in a day and 2
Okay.
meals in a day, and that walk and rest. All these combined, if you are able to stick to it very well, then maybe 5 kg per month you will be able to lose, and tone up also. And exercise, don't push yourself to limits. Try doing it in very very high motivation. Like if you're doing push-ups or any other sit-ups or anything, do it only 4-5.
Okay.
Just repeat it every half an hour. Because I was looking at another possibility. See, there is an inflammation process which controls the movement of fluid from one compartment to other.
Yes,
So
sir.
if you do 100 push-ups in one go, what you're doing is you are sending more fluid to your biceps or tissues involved,
Hmm.
and then when you are relaxing, then all this fluid when you are like compressing, then fluid comes out of it, and when you are relaxing, it goes inside the muscles.
Yes, sir.
So if you're doing it 100 times, it is adding on to inflammation, it is causing harm. If you do it only 3-4 times, the work is done. The fluid enters in your muscles, and then the nutrients have gone into the muscles, and let it work for half an hour. And if you repeat 4-5 push-ups only every half an hour, I think you will find substantial improvement within 2-3 days. It will not take months. You will feel some difference within maybe 24 hours also. If in case you can do it 10 times in a day, just 5 push-ups and 5 to 10 that planks, and see the difference.
Okay, sir. So there is no dry fasting, like no
Nothing.
dry water fasting. The schedule you told me.
Dry fasting will be there definitely for eczema. That particular thing will be there. But first you try on this thing. This also reduces your fluid intake from 3.5 to 4 liters to maybe 1.5. So maybe
Okay,
in
sir.
about a week's time you will have a lot of other improvements in health, and maybe this goes away. In case it does not go away, then the second will be give up fluids for 36 hours and restrict your fluids for about a week or so, wherein you'll be drinking only 3 glasses a day. But I would suggest first do this for a week and then go to that thing in case it is needed. Otherwise, maybe you will have a complete recovery from this thing itself.
Yeah, so my eczema is not bad. It's just on the fingers,
Yeah,
and
that's why
sometimes
I'm saying.
yeah. And one thing is like I'm using minoxidil for my hair loss. Just to be on the safer side because I've seen a little
No,
thinning
no,
on my.
no, no, no. The-
So
don't use
uh,
anything. For your hair, what you can do is like you have dandruff.
no, sir. No,
In
no
case you
dandruff.
don't use anything.
No, sir. I don't have any dandruff. I started having a little flares of eczema on my scalp after using minoxidil because that is mostly common in कि थोड़ा like the signs of dandruff होता है, but I don't have dandruff.
Hmm.
But I have little like 2-3 spots where there's a small areas where I have like eczema conditions. जहाँ पे itching होता है when I sweat and all. This just because once I started using minoxidil only, and I've been reading stuff saying that if you have eczema, you're prone to have such eruptions on your scalp because of the alcohol in eczema. It dries out on the scalp. It dries out the scalp. So
Oh,
the
see,
hair loss is
hair
the hair loss
loss in,
is not there when I'm using eczema. So I see when I'm using minoxidil, it's the hair is a little better now. I'm just worried because so once I'm 30, I started using it just because it might lead to hair loss, and I've started seeing a little thinning on my
okay. So what you can
crown
do
area.
is, what you can do is that wash your hair 3-4 times in a day with plain water,
Okay, sir.
and comb the hair every time for 1 or 2 minutes to dry it out. And
Okay.
besides that, 8 to 10 times massage your scalp with fingertips for about 1 minute only.
Okay.
So 1 minute, 8-10 times in a day, and the other one is to wash it with plain water. Maybe for next 2-3 days only 4 times, then bring it down to 2 times. And this massage with fingertips should be there for at least 4-5 times in a day for 1 minute each. and that should take care of your hair growth. And because scalp requires two things. One is that natural hair should move out, and it should spread in the hair evenly. That's one.
Okay.
So
Okay.
every time you wash your hair and massage with the towel slight for a minute or half a minute, then that
Yeah.
oil is spread evenly and the excess oil or oil is removed.
Yes, sir. The natural oils of the scalp.
Yeah. Same way you wash your hair 2-3 times in a week with plain soap, and that should also be able to help you with the removing of the excess oils. That's all what you need. So your
Plain
hair should
soap,
be
like any soaps are
any
like
soap, Lux and all that. Some body soap will do.
no shampoos and all.
No shampoo needed.
Okay.
Shampoos are all harmful in one way or the other because they are not allowing the excess
Oil to secretion of natural oils. Okay.
yeah. So secretion of natural oil is important, and so far as your dandruff and other conditions like eczema kind of condition is concerned, that is
Sir,
also because of that.
one doubt, sir. Can I use this shikakai, mira, and all that
No
stuff?
need, no need. Keep it simple, straight. You'll save time and money and effort.
Okay. So it's like 200 ml of water, like 6 times a day, and
Yes.
and out of that 2 times during the meals before the meal ends, right?
Yes.
Okay, so that will be like 1.2 liters of water only for the next 7 days.
Yeah, and walk and rest every half an hour, 5 minutes.
Every half an hour, 5 minutes only. Till like, so that's like, do I have to throughout the day
Yes, throughout the day.
till I sleep?
Yes, till you sleep. Or what I was suggesting is that do it only for till about maybe 4 o'clock. You will hit about 12,000 steps.
Okay.
And after that, you can do instead of walking, you can do planks every half an hour for 1 minute or so. And second was maybe if you are interested in making some biceps, maybe 4-5 push-ups only, not much.
Sir, maybe once this eczema, the inflammation reduces, can I go back to gym and work for at least half an hour?
In case you still have 10 days, by the time your eczema and all that disappears, then maybe you will find that it is more effective as compared to your gym routine. And then it is up to you. In case you want to meet friends and you want to pass time, then you can do. But it should be, so far as your six pack and your weight targets are concerned, it will help you much better than those things. So then choice is yours.
Okay, sure, sir. Sir, I'm really thankful and that, you're doing something for the society.
Thank you.
It's actually a great initiative, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
So, sir, I'll keep in touch with you. I'll work this out.
Sure.
Sir, is there a fundraising kind of a thing you do so that you can spread this to a lot of people? Anything like that? You accept something like that?
Yeah, I'm looking at that thing also very, very constructively because there is a mess in every part of the society that needs to be cleaned up and that needs a lot of efforts.
And I know once you start accepting funds, people will start saying that probably this is a money raising thing. Yeah, okay.
So the first thing was to spread it as much as I can with the free stuff, and then maybe you can add some small stuff also.
Oh, okay. Sure, sir. Sir, and any meal restriction like non-veg nahi kha sakte?
No restrictions.
Okay, and masala and all that stuff,
Nothing.
And no fruits, sir, in the right?
Yes, no fruits and avoid the milk products.
Okay, sir. No paneer and also nothing. No cheese,
You can take in moderation once in a while, once in a week or so, but nothing on a regular basis, daily basis.
Okay, so plain rice and some curry normal will do.
Everything will do. Everything else will do. Even the milk products will do maybe 2 times in a week.
No, sir. I don't drink milk, so I'm against that. I just eat paneer because of this keto thing I started.
Okay.
And once in a while I drink tea. I'm not like a adamant tea lover or something like that. So no fluids, no green tea also, no, sir.
Nothing. No.
Okay. Okay, sir. So I'll keep you posted on this and I'll call you after a week.
And give me a photograph of your existing.
Sure, sir. I'll WhatsApp to you.
Okay, yeah, sure. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.